As more homeowners in Green Cove Springs look for ways to live sustainably, home upgrades that support energy efficiency and environmental responsibility are becoming increasingly popular. Among the most effective, and often overlooked, improvements are eco-friendly windows. Modern window technology has evolved far beyond basic glass panes. Today's eco-friendly options can lower your energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and enhance indoor comfort, all while complementing the charm of your Green Cove Springs home. Here's how choosing sustainable windows can make your home greener, more comfortable, and more cost-effective for years to come. The benefits of eco-friendly windows. Eco-friendly windows are designed to help your home use less energy by keeping your indoor climate stable year-round. In Green Cove Springs, where humid summers and mild winters are the norm, this means less strain on your air conditioning and heating systems. Energy-efficient windows improve thermal insulation, preventing hot air from entering in summer and cool air from escaping. They also block harmful UV rays and reduce glare, keeping your interior comfortable and your furniture protected from fading. In the long term, this simple upgrade can reduce energy consumption by up to 30%, lower monthly utility bills, enhance your home's resale value, support sustainable living goals by cutting energy waste. Eco-friendly windows help both the planet and your wallet. Energy-efficient glass options. The type of glass you choose plays a huge role in how eco-friendly your windows are. The best options for Green Cove Springs homes combine efficiency and durability to handle the area's warm, humid climate. Low emissivity glass. This glass has a microscopically thin coating that reflects heat while letting natural light in. During summer, it helps keep your home cool by blocking infrared rays. In winter, it keeps heat inside. Low E glass also filters UV rays, protecting your interior decor from sun damage. Double and triple pane glass. These windows include 2 or 3 layers of glass separated by insulating gases like argon or krypton. The result is superior thermal performance and reduced noise, perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment. Tempered or laminated glass. Eco-friendly and safer, this glass is designed to resist shattering, which adds both energy efficiency and durability. Sustainable frame materials. Eco-friendly windows go beyond glass. The frame material matters too. Choosing sustainable, long-lasting frames helps reduce maintenance needs and environmental impact. Vinyl frames. Affordable, durable, and resistant to humidity, vinyl frames offer excellent insulation and low maintenance. Fiberglass frames. Made from recycled glass fibers, fiberglass is one of the most sustainable materials available. It's strong, weather-resistant, and energy-efficient. Wood frames. Naturally insulating and renewable, wood frames provide a classic look. Choose sustainably sourced wood or wood-clad options for eco-conscious style. Aluminum frames with thermal breaks. Ideal for modern designs, these frames include insulating barriers to minimize heat transfer while providing lasting strength. Each of these materials offers different aesthetic and environmental benefits, and when properly installed, they all contribute to lower energy usage. Local climate matters. Green Cove Springs climate poses specific challenges for homeowners: heat, humidity, and occasional storms. When selecting eco-friendly windows, it's important to choose products designed to handle local conditions. Look for windows certified by Energy Star or rated for Florida's climate zone. These models undergo rigorous testing to ensure they deliver top performance in heat and humidity, helping your home stay efficient year-round. Proper ventilation is also key. Choose window styles like casement or double-hung designs that allow for natural airflow when you want to enjoy the coastal breeze without running your AC. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best eco-friendly window won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure an airtight fit, preventing air leaks and moisture infiltration, two common issues in Green Cove Springs homes. By hiring a certified local contractor, you'll also ensure compliance with Florida building codes and maximize your window's energy performance. Long-term sustainability and savings. Eco-friendly windows are more than a design upgrade, they're an investment in your home's future. With reduced energy use, longer-lasting materials, and minimal maintenance needs, these windows offer significant long-term savings and environmental benefits. They also improve your home's resale appeal. Buyers are increasingly seeking energy-efficient, sustainable properties, and upgraded windows are a key selling point that sets your Green Cove Springs home apart. Final thoughts: sustainable living starts with small, smart choices, and eco-friendly windows are one of the best. They save energy, reduce environmental impact, and make your Green Cove Springs home more comfortable and valuable. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, aesthetics, or long-term sustainability, investing in eco-friendly window options is a choice that benefits both your home and the planet. With the right materials and professional installation, your new windows will deliver comfort, beauty, and peace of mind for years to come.